Hello, I am Dr. H.N. Ghosh. I'm the director of NISER. So I came to attend this Utkal Cancer Conclave, and our contribution towards cancer research from NISER, I would like to tell that we are setting up medical cyclotron, which is producing isotopes. Medical isotope will directly can kill the cancer cells. Instead of chemotherapy, you can use it, and percentage of success is much higher. And I interact with the doctors. I found that it's a very interesting conclave. By virtue of this kind of complex, people will be learning a lot of things, and patients will be get more care. Understanding of cancer is very important. And as a director of NISER, we are also taking part in all this. TMC is coming up near our center, near our hospital institute, where we are also helping them early detection program, and also early detection program for oral cancers, breast cancer and cervical cancers. From NISER and TMC, we are working together. So this will help this state of Odisha, and thank you very much.
Sir, any research regarding your side?
My research, I'm a chemical physicist, so my research does not include that.
Not yours,
In NISER, we have a center called Medical Physics and Radiation Physics Center, where we are teaching the students and giving their exposure of how to handle the radiation things on human body. So this is a master program we have started, but eventually we're going to have a BS, MS and PhD program. This is kind of unique research center in the country. Very few countries having this medical physics, so that will help to understand the cancer better way. So that is our contribution, so-called NISER is concerned.
Sir, today's time cancer size is regularly growth. How can it possible to decrease the disease and help to our...
See, most important that's why I was telling that early detection program which we have started, which is very important. If you figure out, if we detect the cancer patients like 10 years before or 5 years before, it will be very easy to handle them. But when it is a full-fledged cancer, then it is always difficult, and it saves crores of rupees for the patient and also for the government. Like just imagine in the Khordha district in Jatni, we have a cancer hospital which is started with the 500 CR and also a medical cyclotron. So 1,000 crore, both the state government and central government is spending. So through early detection program, I mean, we can find that this person, can get cancer. So they can take precaution for that, and that will be cancer will be avoided. This kind of research program already was started. And awareness, which is another very important part, that awareness program also, NISER we are regularly doing. We are also doing that all kind of cancer day, and then we get all the faculty, students, employee and workers, get their students, their children also, and their family members. They also come to know. See, most important part I have seen like Gutka, where the state of Odisha, the working class people they take, when they found that they are going to have cancer in 5 to 10 years, so they are getting stopped it. That is basically very good. So I must tell, this always help us. So we are very actively taking part in this cancer remediation processes.